today with physical therapist and Feldenkrais teacher, Wycoff. And she's going to lead us through a little introduction to Feldenkrais, particularly focused around the shoulders.
Okay, please lie on your side, on your right side, with your arms straight in front of you and your knees bent. Have the palm of the top hand on top of the palm of the bottom hand. And take a minute to land and to feel your contact with the mat on your right side. Notice how you're breathing. How do you know you're breathing? Do you feel your ribs move? Do you feel your belly move? Does the breathing change your contact with the mat? We're going to start with a very simple movement of just lifting your left hand off of your right hand and only go as far as it's really easy. Don't feel like you have to make any effort. Just feel how much of that movement is really easy. Good. Bring your head back down. Good, and rest there. Now please see what it would be like if you inhaled as you lift your hand up. So inhale as your hand goes up and exhale as your hand goes down. And again, go very slow. Follow the rhythm of your breathing. Very good. Bring your head back down and rest for a minute. And now feel what it's like to roll your head a little bit to the left and then back down to the middle. Good. No effort, just roll your head on the pillow. So now let's see what it would be like to have your head roll to the left as you lift your left hand up. Does that make it any easier for you to lift your hand? Very nice. Now add your breathing to this, so turn your head to the left and breathe in at the same time. Good, and now we're going to add one little variation. As you do that, can you look at your fingers? Open your eyes and look at your fingers as you lift your hand up. Feel the right side of your body rolling onto the mat. So how does that happen? At which point do you feel that you're rolling on the right side of your ribs? The next time you come back with your hands together, stay there and rest. Feel your contact with the mat. Feel your breathing. And now just lift your left hand off the right hand again and feel, has it gotten any easier? Good. Bring your hands back together and rest. Good.